Wanna learn something new? Are you familiar with kakanin? Kakanin, or native delicacies, are snacks usually made with or containing any or combination of coconut milk, glutinous rice, rice flour, cassava, and sugar. This time, I'm going to make nilupak. Creamy, tasty, and yummy kakanin. Perfect for snacks or desserts. The ingredients are 1 pound cassava, peeled and cut into small pieces, 1/2 tablespoon salt, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1/2 cup of shredded cheese. Let's start! Procedures are: put some melted butter on the molder that you are going to use. Set aside. A pot over medium heat, combine cassava, salt, and water. Cover it. Bring to a boil and cook uncovered for about 15 to 20 minutes or until very tender. Drain from liquid and allow to cool. Remove the stringy core and discard. Mash boiled cassava with a fork. Bowl, combine mashed cassava, condensed milk, and butter. Gently stir until smooth and creamy. Transfer mixture. Spread it evenly. You can make decorative lines on the surface by using the tines of the fork. Lastly, sprinkle top with shredded cheese. Cut into servings. Ta-da! Let's taste it. Delicious! Hope you like it. Till next time!